Hello, this is Henry Miner with the Deep Ellum 100. We're here at Trees for the sounds of Deep Ellum, and we're so excited to have the Children of Indigo. First off, what is your favorite place to perform at in Deep Ellum?
Man, my favorite place to perform in Deep Ellum is wherever I'm playing at that night. So right now it's Trees. No, but real talk, my favorite place in Deep Ellum to play would have to be Three Links. It's definitely the first place that really put us out there and allowed us to flourish, play stages in the streets of Deep Ellum, besides being a street artist. So it's a beautiful stage. Three Links got bags.
Three Links. They always treat us like we're family when we walk through the door, so it's always really nice going there.
It's all new in every way. A love new embrace change. What's new if it always change? Ain't that the same old thing?
How would you classify your genre of music?
I would say it's genre bending. We dabble in hip hop, funk, soul, R&B, rock and roll, fusion music, the sounds of the future. It's come to an age where music isn't one genre per se. It's become a fusion of a little bit of everything.
Like who you? These and we be winning vibes. That's the juju. Chicken bone. It's that voodoo. Make it rain. It's that new view. Thunderstorm is unusual. Purple heat in my cuticles. Hercules in the studio. Put your card like a Yu-Gi-Oh. 20 upon this mulito. Keep a pouch like Marsupio. Put it to sleep, no roofie though. Real life like a movie though. Brand new everything.
How would you say music affects you and the culture at large?
That's a big question. For me, music is my everything. I remember being 4 years old, jumping on the bed, pretending I was Jimi Hendrix playing the guitar. And it's funny that that's come to fruition. My mom had tapes of me singing into the brush like I was Michael Jackson, dancing around when I was 8. And so music has really influenced everything that I've done since. Music can take two people who don't know each other, who otherwise would never have a conversation, and bring them together like that. It's used in spiritual ceremonies, at church. You know, it's a way to bring cultures together. Music is really powerful, and I think that as a tool, if used properly, it can build or destroy. It's crazy how much power it has.